In today's video, I'm sharing with you the 7 best websites for part-time online jobs and remote jobs. Now make sure you stay till the end of the video because I will also share with you the #1 profitable way that I am able to earn a full-time income straight from home with my internet, with my computer. So welcome again to the channel. It's Jason Foster. On this channel, what I do, I talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, working from home, creating a better future for yourself and your family. If you like things like this, go ahead, subscribe to this channel so that you get notified whenever time I release a new video on YouTube so that you can get this information first and free. And of course, if you like the value that you get from today's video, go ahead and like it so that it reaches more people and that, I see that you appreciate content like this. Now, first on the list is Amazon Mechanical Turk. You'll find this at mturk.com. This is a global website where people from all over the world are earning money on this website, right? So people are doing simple tasks. You call these like gigs or hits, and people are just coming on it and completing simple tasks. So basically people are requesting to have tasks they need to be completed. So they go over to mturk, and now you will be the worker who want to earn money and work on interesting tasks. Simple tasks. I've signed up to this website and I've seen that you can make some money with this. Some people are earning a full-time living with this Amazon mturk. So it's definitely a legitimate and also a great little side hustle that you can do from home. So check it out, guys. Next up on the list is ISOFT.com. This is a global website which has been online since 2001. So they have a very good track record helping people to get work from home jobs. So it's global consulting and IT outsourcing firm with locations in China and in the United States. So they have a lot of part-time jobs, microtask jobs. Many categories are there for people looking for work. Some of the more popular categories are going to be research assistants, online crowd worker, global recruiter, search engine analyst. So you can definitely visit Iststone and go to careers right there and get more information on how to get a job on Iststone. Next up on the list is Lionbridge. You'll find them at lionbridge.com. It's a translation and localized solution for other companies. So what that means is that they collaborate with other companies and then they hire people like you and me to do work. Now, when you scroll on this website, you see that there are current job openings. Your next adventure starts there. So they have corporate associates, they have translators and agencies. This is popular. So you lend us your voice, you become a Lionbridge partner. You basically be translating videos and audios into text, and it can be different languages as well. So if you speak multiple languages, you will have an advantage over there. They also have interpreters. So they also specialize in gaming. You can use your passion as a gamer and their expertise to deliver amazing gaming experiences all around the world. So Lionbridge is definitely one of the top websites out there that you can come and get a remote job from home and work. So next up on the list is a website called ClickWorker. You'll find them at clickworker.com. This is a website which was established in 2005. So they have been around for a long time now. It's a data company. So what they do, they actually help other companies by providing real user data and user testing. So they help companies to develop artificial intelligence software that will help to improve their businesses. So some jobs that you can find on ClickWorker is basically audio recording, video recording, copy editing, proofreading, amongst other types of job like that. Now, according to clickworker.com, they pay up to $200 per week. So it's a good little way to earn a part-time income. And you can definitely use the other websites on this list to go up to say $600 per week to $700 per week. And of course, it depends on the effort and time you put into these types of jobs. So you can definitely head over to ClickWorker, create an account and get started. Now, next on the list are survey sites. These that I've listed here are actually the best rated survey sites. Now, survey sites are very simple to use. You basically go on them and fill out surveys, right? The first one is Survey Junkie. This is where you answer surveys for extra money. Good thing with Survey Junkie is that you can cash out with PayPal when you reach $5. So you'll be basically doing simple little surveys before you reach that $5 threshold. PLAYTEST Cloud, you earn $9 for 15 minutes testing mobile games. This is specifically for people who love to play mobile games, so it's a nice little way to earn while you play games. Moi Points is the next. You earn by answering surveys, shopping online, and many other things. The good thing with My Points is that you actually get a $10 sign up bonus for that one. SWAGBUCKS is next, similar to earnings to My Points, very similar. Opinion Outpost, also popular for surveys. And then you have Prolific, relatively newer survey site. It's research based survey site. I should also mention that even though you can make a little extra $5, $10 with survey sites, it can definitely take a significant amount of time away from you. And if you really want to focus on this method, you would have to combine all of these sites together so that you can make, say, some hundreds of dollars per week doing this method. But again, it's not like the top way on this list, but I wanted to add it for people, especially people asking about surveys. So you can definitely use these sites to earn some extra money doing online surveys. Next up on the list is REMOTASKS, and you'll find this at REMOTASKS.com. As you see, you earn in US dollars doing online tasks from home. So it's a very simple website, this one. You basically do simple tasks like drawing circles around objects. You also get to categorize objects by their size, by their colors, by their shapes. Very, very simple tasks that anyone in the world can actually do. This is actually one of the simplest work from home websites out there. You see that you could meet entrepreneurial taskers just like you. So not complicated at all, very simple, and you can get paid in US dollars. So you go over to REMOTASKS.com, you click on the Start Earning Today button to get started. Now, last up on this list is MICROWORKERS.com. You work and earn or offer a micro job. Now, what MICROWORKERS is, it is an international online platform that connects businesses and workers like you and me to complete various tasks. All right, so this is global for basically anyone in the world. This is very similar to the Amazon Mechanical Turk in that the model is that businesses will come on these websites and they actually post tasks for workers to perform, and when that job is executed, the money will be paid out. So you can earn like $5 to $10 per task with a lot of these. Jobs will include image categorization, destination matches, transcribing, which is also very popular, translating from different languages, rating video quality, data collection, and a whole lot more. So this is definitely one of the sites worth checking out on this list. That's MICROWORKERS, a pretty good site. Now, hopefully that has been helpful to you, my friend. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put all the links to those websites I spoke about in the description of the video so that you can go over there and check out all these sites. So as I mentioned to you at the beginning of the video, I'm basically going to share with you the profitable business model that I currently use to make a full-time income right from home, anywhere I'm basically, as long as I have internet and as long as I have access to my computer. Now, this is something called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is simple. It's basically recommending products or services to people, and when they buy, money is made. It's quite simple. Now, I have done a lot of training about affiliate marketing and, basically learn how to create content on blogs, on YouTube, on social medias. And I have found that the training that I'm currently doing has enabled me to learn quicker and to implement faster, right? So you could also learn this. I am sharing this with you because I know that it's valuable and it can also help you as well, all right? So it's going to be the first link in the description of the video. So you can always go ahead and check it out. I highly recommend this, and I wish you a lot of success as you move forward making these money from anywhere you are. Thank you so much for watching the video again, and I'll see you in the next one.